Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. A critical update emerged from the European Union last week that has sent ripples through the in vitro diagnostic, or IVD, manufacturing community. On March 11, 2026, the European Commission released a new guidance document clarifying the technical documentation standards required for legacy IVDs transitioning to the new in vitro diagnostic regulation, or IVDR. While the industry welcomed previous deadline extensions, this new guidance creates an urgent and unexpected challenge. The core of the issue lies in the interpretation of clinical evidence for well-established products. Many manufacturers of devices that have been safely on the market for years, operating under the old IVD directive, believed their history of safe use would be sufficient. This new guidance firmly counters that assumption. It specifies that performance evaluation reports, or PERs, for legacy devices must be supported by contemporary data that aligns with the stricter requirements of the IVDR, rendering much of the older, passive post-market data inadequate. This is not a minor clarification. It is a fundamental shift in regulatory expectations. For a concrete example, consider a mid-sized French company that has manufactured a widely used panel of allergy tests for over a decade. Their transition plan was on track, with an application to their notified body scheduled for next month. However, the new guidance invalidates their existing performance evaluation report. Their legacy data lacks the granularity on scientific validity and analytical performance now being demanded. The company is now facing a 9 to 12-month project to conduct new performance studies to generate the required data. This not only incurs significant unplanned costs, but also risks their ability to meet the transition deadline, potentially forcing their product off the EU market temporarily. This situation reveals a dangerous compliance gap. The focus has shifted from simply meeting a deadline to meeting a much higher standard of data quality. Companies can no longer rely on the longevity of their products as proof of performance. They must now proactively generate robust, current clinical evidence, regardless of their product's history. This move places immense pressure on manufacturers to reassess their entire IVDR transition strategy immediately. For assistance navigating these complex and sudden regulatory changes, you can email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit Pure Global online.